One of the most important decisions that I made when I got into business was investing in coaching. And I started with Patrick David. We pay him $3,000 a month for 90 minutes where we meet with 6 business owners. We talk about the single biggest issue we're dealing with at that moment. And Patrick will spend 5 to 7 minutes giving us a prescription. One thing that these business owners all have in common is that they have very, very, very big problems that they deal with. So when you think you're showing up with your biggest problem, you're like, Pat, this is what the fuck I'm going through. And then you hear the next guy and he has, if you think you have a $10,000 problem, a $50,000 problem, a $100,000 problem, and the next dude has a $2 million problem, this guy has a $5 million problem, this guy has a $10 million problem, and you say you want to be big boy, but you're bitching about like your $10,000 problem, your $50,000 problem, your $200,000 problem. It just makes your problem so much smaller. And it just lets you know that you're going to have to face big problems in the future. You're going to have to slay big dragons. And the only guarantee is how good you become. So problems don't get smaller. You get bigger. You get better. When I went through some shit these past few years, I still realized that I've been in rooms with people who I want to emulate, people I want to be like. And my problem was still it's my biggest personal problem, but it's still very small compared to like the dude I say I want to be. And I've been in the rooms where the conversations are had and the solutions that have been prescribed. So you don't complain. I know that I signed up for this seat, and it's a big boy seat that comes along with amazing experiences, just so many blessings. And it also comes with a bunch of headaches and big ass problems that I get to solve. So ain't no bitching, man. Like, I signed up for this seat, and the people in our company that sign up leadership seats also know that it's a blessing and a curse. It is the most fulfilling to sign up for a seat where you give people opportunities, where you make a lot of money, where you can fund your little kids' dream life, their little toys, the vacays. Like, you could do so many things that you wish at a young age that you could one day do. But you also have to deal with a lot more shit than what most people have to go through. And at the same time, it's so important to remind everybody that we chose that seat. I chose this seat. You chose that seat. So when you choose that seat and you know what comes along with it, you lose the right to complain. Yeah, it was a lot of shit the last few years, but I ain't bitching. Like, that's part of the show.